Morning, everybody. This is Shorty. On my way down to Virginia. It is April 25th, 2023. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. And as you can see, I'm geared up. I'm ready to go. And we're going to get this thing done. And hopefully I'll get you guys some great footage. We'll see you when I get there. All right, so here I am in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, right outside of Hershey, off the interstate, and I am at 491.8 miles. that means it is oil change time. So what I have done is I stopped and I picked myself up a couple of tin cake pans, and that's what I'm going to drop my oil in. And right up the road I found a place called Goop Cycles, and I picked up my oil and an oil filter. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my tool roll out, even though it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. I'm going to get that tool roll out, and then I'm going to drop my oil. I'm going to pour the oil back into the containers, and it just so that right there is a service station. So I will bring the oil over in the can to have them get rid of it. So that's where we're at. Hopefully all goes well, and yeah, give you guys a progress report.